Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play SZA's Open Arms on piano. We'll begin by understanding the song's core. The track is primarily in the key of a major, and will focus on the main four-chord progression that forms its foundation. Mastering these initial chords and their transitions is crucial for building a solid base for the entire song. For the verse, you'll primarily use a repeating four-chord loop, a major, C sharp minor, and B minor. Some interpretations also include a B diminished chord, which adds a unique flavor. Practice these chords in sequence, ensuring your rhythm is steady and your timing precise. This consistent repetition will help you internalize the song's feel. The chorus often maintains a similar chordal structure, emphasizing the main progression. When you reach the bridge, listen for subtle shifts that create an emotional change. While the core chords remain, how you voice them and your dynamics can greatly enhance the song's storytelling. Experiment with playing softer or louder to convey different feelings. Once comfortable with the chords, begin to integrate the right hand melody. Start slowly, perhaps playing hands separately before combining them. A metronome is your best friend for developing steady tempo. If any section feels challenging, break it down into smaller, manageable phrases. Consistent, focused practice for 15 to 20 minutes daily will yield great results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.